you guys are in for a heck of a treat. We're going to give a good go around here on the live video, and then we're going to grab the other camera. And if you really want to see this car in detail, you definitely have to wait for the episode to come out, but we're going to give a quick live video, and we're definitely going to go around this car. He's here, he's going to tell us a little bit about it, and that's it. So let's get this flipped around and let's get this checked out, guys. There it is. This thing is beautiful. He said you can't hear me because of the wind. Sorry, is this better? Can you hear me now? My voice is kind of shot, guys. I'm sorry. But this thing is beautiful. Look at this. What year is it? 2018 Camaro SS. And I'm telling you guys, it is built. He's got the dyno sheet. It's over 800 horses, 875 pound-feet of torque to the wheels. This thing is built. And if you want to get all the details and really check it out, make sure you stay tuned for the post, for the video on this. This is a quick video. We're going to do a live. Check this out, guys. It's the 4-piston Brembos. He says they're not the big ones. They look like the big ones to me. And he's had the paint corrected, ceramic coated. Look at this. I'm telling you guys, the camera doesn't do this paint justice. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very beautiful, very beautiful. The windows have been ceramic. He's got it on street tires today, guys. He's got a different set of wheels. They're set up for the track. I don't know if you noticed up front, he's got the Goodyear grapplers up there, I think is what they were. But on these, you see that's the Nito tires. See if we can get a little bit of the angle back there. This is still serious, guys. That's serious business. He's putting that power to the road. He's going to need a lot of that. Brent Mishler, thanks for joining us, man. You know where we're at. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. He said the heads went to Lingenfelter. It's got the ProCharger, the exhaust. I'm going to show you these exhaust tips, guys. Absolutely amazing. That carbon fiber through the boiler. Look at that SS badge. Beautiful. Look at that. It's like a mirror. Just like a big, blue, beautiful mirror. There we go. There it is, guys. There it is. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And it is a beautiful day out here. The weather's great. God bless us with a beautiful evening. And this car is absolutely stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning. But we're going to turn over here to Melvin a little bit, and I'll let him tell you guys a little bit about the car. And I'm going to check out this dyno sheet. Let's look at this, guys. This is serious business. So if any of you guys think that he's playing or if it's a joke, look at that. You see that? Over 800. See that? 851.66. To me, it looks like 852. 675. That's a lot of power, guys. IndianaMuscleCar.com. Not a joke. Not a joke. Thank you, Melvin, for bringing it out. Can we take a look under the hood? Tell us what we got in here. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. And his detail. Who did the detail?
Dedicated Detailing.
Dedicated Detailing. They did this, guys, in Goshen, Indiana. And I'm telling you, if you can see the... Christian Soto, yes. You guys, I'm telling you, if you can see this car with your eye, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm envious of this paint. Outshines the Trap Blazer. There's not even any comparison in the paint. Oh, it makes me jealous. But look at this, guys. Absolutely stunning under here. See the ProCharger, the big intake. Look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning.
Big fuel rails.
Yeah, huge fuel rails.
E85 sensor setup.
That's what this is back here,
Yes.
your E85?
Yes. Fuel Labs add-on pump.
Man, this is real work, guys, and look just how detailed and clean everything is. Absolutely just beautiful. Hi, Jamie Stouter. Thanks for joining us.
It's all good when you have the Mighty Mouse.
Mighty Mouse. What is this exactly?
It's a catch can breather.
Catch can breather. What does this do?
It lets, when you get a lot of pressure in the crank, it lets it pop off through here so you don't burn something up like burn a piston.
That's absolutely amazing. I had no idea they even had anything like that. So these guys have a lot of engineering and time into all these little components. There's so much detail, and he's done everything right, man. He's not hacked and slashed this thing together. Nothing. Like, it's all been done top notch. The heads you say went to Lingenfelter.
Yes, sir.
What else you want to tell us about it?
Well, started out with headers, exhaust, and the ProCharger, and that put me at 562 to the wheels.
562 at the wheels.
Stock, it did 396.
Dang,
on the dyno.
That's still really good.
And we added the cam, the fuel pump, and another tune, and it ran it up to 713 to the wheels.
713 to the wheels. That is absolutely amazing. I've never even been in a car that has that much power, so that's definitely impressive.
It has a 2800 stall yank torque converter in it.
Absolutely beautiful. So it has to hit 2800 RPMs before it even engages in drive, that's correct?
Well, no, it's set up where it doesn't jerk you around.
Right.
It's a modern setup.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it does. When you rev it up and get it going, it kicks in and it does not slip.
Heck
There's
yeah.
no slippage.
That's amazing. You want to fire it up once for us? We'll hear it. Let's get back here and get the exhaust note, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Jessica Spivey, hello. Nice for you to join us. Ooh yeah, let's get this exhaust note, guys. Absolutely beautiful car. Sounds beautiful, man. Oh, man. Perfect specimen. Chevy Camaro. You don't get anything nicer than this, guys. I'm trying to back up so we can get the whole car into view. Oh, look at there. The sunset in the west. Absolutely beautiful on this thing, guys. Absolutely beautiful. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So guys, let's give Melvin a big thumbs up. Let him know we appreciate him. Thanks for his time, all of his efforts. Let him know that this is beautiful. Get in the comments. Let him know how beautiful his car is. And tell him, keep on doing it, man. We love this. This is great. So we really appreciate his time and everything he's done here. And this is an art form. I don't care what anybody says. When you put together a car that's this beautiful and runs this good, this is artwork. I don't care. This is artwork. And it's artwork at its finest, guys. Look at this thing. Beast. Beast. Man, look at that thing. Absolutely amazing. Jaylyn, hi. Nice of everybody to join us. I appreciate it out here. This thing is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna get some pictures of this thing so that way we can post up some nice, beautiful still pics. We're gonna get the other camera out and get some real footage of this thing, some good detailed, so that way we're not doing it on the phone. But I definitely have to show you guys and give you guys a sneak peek of what's coming up. We're gonna get all this footage, get it posted, so make sure that you stay tuned, stay in, and keep on trapping, guys. Chevy gang.